Well, that's what I was saying to you. I'm like, why the hell are we putting all this money into making them something they're not, and just go buy the real thing? And you're like, you can pick this up and put it in the back of your car. And I'm like, sold.
Well, we're like barely into the ride and we're already stuck in snow, so we'll see. Well, YouTube, it's a muddy trail and snow packed. I think we overestimated the trails. Alright, well, we decided to head back down, give a different trail a try. Some of the snow is like 2 or 3 feet deep, so opted to avoid that. And we have river crossings that are also deep, hence the brake squeakage. So we decided to turn back on that trail, come over to a different side with less snow. So far, definitely less snow. So Feathers is way up ahead of us. He's just sending it. See if we can catch him. We didn't want to do this side because it is rocky for no real reason.
Moving slow on these steep parts.
Gonna load a little bit more phase amps on this. Finished going up the south peak, and if we go down the north side, it's just gonna be a ton more snow. So find some other places. So this guy decided that he was gonna run this whole trail in eco mode, but he was unaware of the time. So pretty funny. Did pretty good for eco mode. So we're heading back down. Gonna do just up the dirt road, go to the peak, and see if we can find a different trail somewhere else. I don't know what that is. I definitely have something going on down there. Making a grindy noise when I'm accelerating, and it's not doing it while I'm rolling. So we're on a different trail heading up the south side. We're going to come to a point where we maybe get close to where we stopped and turned around on the other side of it. Took a dirt road to get to this point. Had to pull over on the side of the road because my chain got so loose it started popping, and so took a little break out of that, but we're here. What do you say, Feathers?
A lot better in sport mode.
There you have it. So we got to the peak and looked down, and it looked like another maybe 2 miles of 2.5 to 3 foot snow drifts that we really didn't want to cross. So we'll take the dry trail back down and then the dirt road and get back. But all in all, it's a fun trail. Definitely want to come back here a little bit later in the year when there's not snow and redo this thing. Apparently it's like the whole trail is 20 miles long, so a 40-mile round trip. I'd be pushing the Chai battery to its limits if I went that full distance, but I could always just go to 50%, turn around, head back. So I'm pretty sure we'll be back out here, so look for that video down the road. The 1619 trail setup has been awesome. All these guys are running stock tires, or close to. One guy's got a Shinko 244, but this big knobby in the back has been a savior in this snow and mud. Like, I don't even struggle at all. And I like the 1619 setup. It's been smooth. The 650-pound spring been super awesome and responsive in the rocks, so keep that going. And as far as power settings, I've been switching between 9 and 10 kilowatt, sometimes 450 phase amps, sometimes 550. And I should have set up a harder regen profile just to more regen going down. That would have been a good idea. Next time I'll have a regen profile. Maybe do like a 9 kilowatt regen. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like this kind of trail riding, or if you like the new track series. I'd be interested to know what you guys are thinking. like what kind of content you like to see on the Sur-Ron. I like to do it all, so I have fun doing it. And enjoy making videos for you guys. So also, if you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed, it'd be a good time to subscribe right now, because I have a video part series of a track I'm building in a field, and if you want to get notified on as those videos release and I complete the track and ride it, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and we'll get you some notifications on that. Oh, river crossing.